What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today is Tuesday, April 7th, 2026. I'm going to be going over the two trades that I took today that unfortunately ended up break even, and how I lost technically $18 trading today. So yeah, let's get into it. First, like my buys for today. Coming into today, we had a 4-hour SMT at these data high wicks here that we formed yesterday. ES had taken them out, NQ didn't. And then from there, we had a 4-hour CISD to the downside, 1-hour CISD to the downside. We were just trending lower. And yeah, we had this hourly inverse here, and we were just overall bearish. As you can see, we have this 1-hour CISD at this candle body low here. And I was looking for us to trade up into this hourly gap and run the sell side target here, this intermediate high, intermediate low, and then my overall drawn liquidity today was previous day lows, and then I wanted to see us flip from there, which obviously you can see we did. Wow, that is crazy. That's probably Trump news. And yeah, let me hop in replay mode and show you guys what happened today. So, right at market open, I had this 15-minute gap marked out. It was a discounted gap in this range, and we had this intermediate high that we put in place before market open. As soon as market opens, like literally 10 seconds in the open, we wick up, take out that high, hit that discounted 15-minute, and immediately get rejection out of it. And this is exactly what I wanted to see. I wanted to see shorts down to at least the low of this range. And I entered on this 30-second inverse right here, inversing this 30-second gap, all this structure in here. I did see that there was a 3-minute gap right after closing right here, but I was so confident in this trade just because of the rejection that I took a 30-second trade. Honestly, if I think I waited for this 3-minute and saw this 3-minute, I probably would have, taken it, but I was so confident in the draw and the trade direction that I entered. But I made the mistake of going break even way too early today. I ended up going break even at this internal low, this like wick that we had right here. And I just got wicked out break even, which is unfortunate. Honestly, I think I should have just kind of waited longer because I was so confident in this trade to go break even. I should have at least waited to these lows or to like a 1-to-1 to go, to like a 1-to-1 to go break even. And the main reason why I say that is because like this wick right here really holds no purpose at all. Like overall trend is bearish. Like if we're gonna be going bearish, like this low should really not do anything to send us up to this draw up here. Like I mean to the wick we put in. Like it's holding no value at all. It just internally in this range here, it just really had no meaning to it. Realistically, my break-even point should have been at this low, and if I did that, I would have hit in TP today. So it is a little bit frustrating that I did that, and then having to watch price run to my full TP. But it is part of trading. It happens. It's a great learning experience for me to just be more confident in my trades and understand that my drawn liquidity is intact. We have a great manipulation move. This is according to my model. I need to be more confident and aggressive with my trades to the point where, this won't affect me mentally in that this is a structured break-even point. This is not. Like, this holds nothing. No value. It's literally just a wick. Overall bearish bias, like, we're going to go lower. And then from there, we ended up running out this low and then that intermediate low. I really didn't want to see longs from here just because we have these previous day lows, and I wanted to see us rebalance this overall range that we made and take out liquidity. This is all imbalance here. I really wanted to see us trade back down here and then trend higher from there. I mean, even if you take out this, you can see that this wick is in discount, and I just wanted to see us hit that and go higher from there. So actually I want to see what OT looked like. I didn't put out my OT tool, but yeah. So right almost at OTE, but yeah, that's what I wanted to see happen. Draw is still intact, so I'm still looking for shorts if possible. Not looking for longs, but yeah. So from there, looking for any continuation trade, and what happened was trended lower. We opened up this 15-minute gap here. We got 10:15. We opened it up. So right there, we opened up this 15-minute gap here, tagged it, and then traded lower, built some internal structure, and then bang, there we go. Retook the high, reswept the high, and now at this point, I had a 5-minute unfilled 5-minute gap here to go break even at, and then my full TP was this unfilled 5, just because if this was going to be a high resistance liquidity pool, we would hit this discounted 5 and then go higher. Or at least if we come hit this 5 here, I will be break even on the trade, which was a smart move on my end. I do think this is a very good trade. It's a 15-minute, discounted 5-minute as well. Strong draw on liquidity. We displaced hard through it, almost took it, and then traded back higher. Filling orders and then getting a rejection out of there. I took a 1-minute inversion right here. And then, yeah, entered there. Kind of chopped a little bit. Went break even there. I was in the trade on MNQ, and we actually took this low, but now that I look at it, we made equal lows there on NQ, so I didn't get break even right there, but which was good. But yeah, and then almost delivered to the unfilled 5, and then out of nowhere we get this big gigantic wick out of literally nowhere, tagging me break even, unfortunately, and then after that just ran out all the lows that I wanted to see with a lot of displacement too. So it is tough to watch, but this trade was perfect. I executed exactly according to my model, so I cannot be mad about this trade. There's nothing I can really do about that. That's just the market being the market. But this trade definitely hurts a little bit just because I know I could have executed better. But that is why we journal. That is why we review our trades and just try to get better every day. Obviously, I journaled about this, that I've also been messing around with Claude and stuff for journaling. So I set like daily reminders. So in the morning, I'll check it, and literally tomorrow, I'll be like, make sure if you take a trade, your break even is at a structured point or a 1-to-1 R. So that is something that I keep in my mind as I'm going into the market. And, you know, if I take a trade, that'll pop up in my mind. Okay, yeah, make sure we have a structured break even. Let's not be anxious. Let's wait, be patient, you know. Part of the reason why I think I went break even here is just me being not confident enough when I should be, and not being aggressive enough, and just covering too soon to like kind of have that risk-free feeling, and not being revealed to the market. And I think that's my problem. I just have to be more confident and understand that I executed according to my system, and I just need to be structured more with when I'm moving orders around. But yeah, I mean, that was about it for the session. This was pretty late in the session that we delivered. 11 o'clock delivered us lower, which was nice. Another thing too that I'd like to mention is this is like a very nice 10 o'clock, you know, swing higher. We opened up, traded higher, took out liquidity, hit a PD array, and then rejected lower. This was beautiful setup. I'm not mad at the setup at all. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for today. Break even on the week. I mean, I lost like $18, but break even on the week. Yeah, just putting in a lot of work, trying to make sure I can get better with my execution errors and my underconfidence, and just trying to get better with my confidence. And I know that when I do that, I will start to see better results in my weekly, you know, outcomes and whatnot. So, yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today, guys. I will be back when we take another trade. So, yeah, I'll catch you later.